Hello all, welcome to PC Tips Pro, and in today's video we are going to see how to remove unwanted objects from image. Before getting into the video, if you guys haven't yet subscribed to the PC Tips Pro, please do subscribe. And now let's get started. For this, we are going to use Cleanup.pictures. So you can just search for it in the search engine and you will be landing up on this Cleanup.pictures. So go to this site and you will be finding the link to the site in the description. And if you just scroll down, you can just see that you can remove any unwanted object, defect or people or text from your picture in just seconds. All you need to do is you just need to drag and drop an image, or else we can even try it with an example. Let's say that I want to take this, and here we have this brush, so you can adjust the size of the brush to whatever size you feel that you want. And let's say that I don't want this particular light, so let me just remove this like this. And after then, now you can see that this got removed, and you can even erase things. So it is basically like removing the objects or text or anything. Let's say that I just want to remove this particular thing, and you can just see that I am able to remove this text. And let's say that we don't want this additional chart over here, I can remove that too. And in order to remove things, you can just adjust this brush size to remove things quickly. Let's say that I just don't want any of these things on this wall, so I can just choose everything, and now you can just see that how accurately it has removed things from the image. So you can upload your own image, and you can use this brush and you can just remove the images, objects in the images just like that by using this website called Cleanup.pictures. And once you are done, you can just click on the download to download this particular image. So isn't it very simple? So I hope you found this video useful to you. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to PC Tips Pro. Thank you for watching.